Hi guys, so welcome back to Code with Mousree. So today we will learn about the Microsoft Excel. So today we'll actually learn to how to find percentage, summation, calculation this way, BODMS rule, and summations are there and percentage. So for that you need to write this as you wish, except for doing 100. Okay, in 100. So first we will find the total marks and freeze the first row. So for that you have to go view and freeze top row. Okay, this is now freezed. Now how to do it? Now first you have to write this and write sum, or you can write here also sum. Now the first bracket starts. Now what's this location? This location is called A2, B2, C2 and D2. So you have to write A2 is to B2 is to C2. Oh my gosh, something is problem. Is to D2. Problem happened. Don't worry about my god laptop. It's A2 actually. A2 is to B2 is to C2. Okay, now you have to do this. So this is the total marks. Now I have to do this. Yeah, you don't have to need to do every time as their marks, because in real exams there were thousands of marks, but how to do it this way you can make it. Now it's time for the percentage. So yeah, now one thing that I have to do is doing this. Okay, this is a little bit broad. Now let's start the percentage. Okay, fine. For doing the percentage, I have to write it percentage. Okay. Now again I will do this to make it quite broader. Okay. Alright, here in bracket this one, the percentage sign. Right, alright. Now let's do the main. First is you have to always write the equal sign first. Then I have to write here L2. Not L2, I'm really E2. The place of total marks is E2. E2, yes, is equal to 100 because it's all with percentage. And here is how many subjects are there? There are 4 subjects, so right here 400. Don't forget to do this one. Alright, here is the percentage. Alright, this is how we learn the percentage, and now I will tell you that how to do pass and fail in the next video. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.